Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you on um, how to remove a background from an image. It is super simple. Please, I just want you to pay attention. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe right now. Please hit the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Turn on the notification bell also so that anytime I'm dropping a tutorial, you might be one of the first person to be aware of it. I want you to like, comment, and also to share. Thank you. I love you. So what I'm going to do right now is just clicking on the image, then go to my bitmaps here, go to my bitmap mask. So in my bitmap masks here, so yeah, make sure that you check this box here, make sure it is checked, then go to this eyedropper tool, then pick white. So when it is being picked, so then you click on apply. You can see, just simple as that. That's how to remove a background from an object, and you can also adjust it. You can adjust it. Now when you adjust, so you can click on apply. So the more you adjust it, the higher it becomes, the higher the background is removed. You can see. So that's that for that. So now just can cancel here. Then what I want to do is just let me bring the background here, so that I can see if the what do we call it is removed already. So this is it here. So let me see. So let me give this a color. Let me use color blue. So you can see. Then this is. Let me press my control page down. Control page down. So that's that. It's because this is behind, so I have to bring it up so you can see. So also the same step you can use, you will use for this also. So just click on it, then bitmap masks, then it's because it's still white, so I can just click on my apply, so I can adjust it so that it can. So that's that for that. Then apply. So you can see this is that for that. You can see. So then let me give this a red color. A red color. Excuse me. Delete that. Then send to the back. Control page down. So you can see. So I have this. So this is how to remove a background. A quick remove background from how to quickly remove a background from an image. That's that for that. So I will see you in the next class. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and anytime I'm dropping a content like this, a tutorial like this, you might be the first to be aware of it. And please, I want you to like, share, and comment. So see you in the next tutorial.